I already done cooking and I already done eating, and it's seriously yummy, guys. Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel. It's Filipiilana. Today's video, I will be sharing my another cheap and easy recipe. Before I start, the name of the recipe is a crispy egg chip. I want to try it since today I cook another one dish, which is munggo with the rice, and I will be eating it with this crispy egg if this will be successful. So join with me, guys, as I show you a version of the crispy egg chips. So join me on my small kitchen. So that's it, guys. I already done cooking and I already done eating, and it's seriously yummy, guys. It's very tasty, very crisp, and yeah, my husband also actually asked for another batch because that first batch that I show in the plate here was finished, and lucky that I have a leftover butter which I put in the fridge, so I just fried it again. So maybe, guys, you also want to try it, and I bet you will love it. So please try it, guys. You can use it for snack because it's savory. If you just want it for snack, or maybe pulutan or finger food, that would be perfect. Or like what we did, I eat it with the rice and like a side dish or maybe some appetizer. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. You guys, if you want to try it and if you like it, please don't forget to put your comment below, hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe because I will be sharing more of my easy and cheap cooking recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. Life be like. Bye-bye.